Ramogi TV.
Kwa kanyo ni Attorney General Justin Muturi onyiso komiti mar od bura marango weche udi kod chenro mag boma ni od bura ema ni kod ting' mar neno ni chik mar osuru mar udi manyocha doho chungo ok gore piny. Komiti no nodayo dho Muturi ka bende apisi mare ne onywandi e chenro mar loso chik no ma osuru mar udi ma idwaro. Walter Nyambaga ni kod lero nachi.
Nyim kamiti mar od bura marango weche mag udi kod chenro mag boma, komiti odi Attorney General Justin Muturi kod penjo ka bende apise ne onywandi e chuogo paro mar chik mane dong' yelo oko.
I was asking myself, as the government legal advisor, were you not involved in drafting this bill?
Yes, we were involved in the drafting of the finance bill. Remember, Parliament was involved in passing the finance bill into act. But the court, in performance of its functions under Article 165 of interpreting the laws, found some sections of the Finance Act as unconstitutional.
Kata kamano, Muturi oko ne jo odwa ni gin kod ting' mar loso chik, kendo ponono ok gidino fuok mar chik mar osuru mar ot, to do pod nyalo biro thiche oko.
We take instructions from the state departments. They tell us this is what we want. We tell them it can only be fashioned in this way. It is in Parliament where there are a lot of amendments, which is it's a very healthy democratic practice. Once it has been passed by Parliament, it is now left to the judiciary to interpret it. So if the judiciary finds something and to want in an act of Parliament, it is perfectly within their power to interpret and make the statement. But remember, whatever it is they do, they will not make the law. Whatever it is the executive may do, they will not make the law. Law is an exclusive function of Parliament under Article 94.
Jod bura goe dwaro ng'eyo kenge mag chike minyal keti mondo chik mar osuru mar ot obed mano maonge kwede ne jogo machamo osara kanyakla kod mago ma ok ondiki.
What is the chance that a man or a woman who earns 20,000 and has a family will be able to raise deposit for a house? He will be able to raise stamp duty and everything for him to get a house. What that means is that such a man or woman is being deducted but will never get a house. Is that not a way of discrimination?
Members were asking, would it have been more easier to do the NSSF model of collecting these levies, and if that person who has been contributing doesn't need a house in the end, that money be refunded, just like the NSSF model.
The issue of the levy being discriminatory, Clause 4, subsection 2 of the bill addresses the concern by imposing the payment of the levy to both salaried and non-salaried persons.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.